Welcome to this video on the numismatic history of the Costa Rican colón. We will explore the fascinating evolution of Costa Rica's national currency, from its historical origins to the modern, ecologically inspired designs we see today. The colón was introduced by the government in 1896, replacing the peso at an equal value. Named in honor of Christopher Columbus, or Cristóbal Colón, the currency symbol is easily recognized by its two distinctive diagonal strokes. Monetary history took an interesting turn in the early 20th century. After issuing centavos between 1917 and 1919 and resuming them in 1920, the government used counterstamps on old coins in 1923, effectively doubling their original face values. The lineage of Costa Rican paper money evolved significantly over several decades. 4 private banks printed notes until 1917, followed by a transition of control to the Banco Internacional in 1914, the Banco Nacional in 1937, and finally, the Banco Central, which secured exclusive rights in 1950. When the central bank began operations in 1950, it faced a shortage of new designs. To solve this, the bank creatively repurposed unissued Banco Nacional notes, simply printing its own name over the existing text. The state has modernized its coinage by shifting to brass and aluminum alloys and phasing out the 1 colón coin. Furthermore, the bank has scheduled the demonetization of various older coins throughout 2025 and 2026. In 2021, a special bimetallic coin was released to celebrate 200 years of independence. This unique piece, featuring a copper-nickel core, proudly displays a map of Costa Rica on its reverse side. A major reform occurred in 2011 when the bank introduced higher denominations and standardized note heights. By 2020, all banknote designs were successfully upgraded to durable polymer material. Modern Costa Rican banknotes are a tribute to the country's biodiversity. Each note showcases one of 6 distinct biomes, thoughtfully pairing a specific natural habitat with its corresponding native wildlife. The details on these notes are remarkable. The green 10,000 colón note highlights the rainforest and the brown-throated sloth, while the orange 20,000 note features the Paramo ecosystem and the volcano hummingbird. The exchange rate mechanism has also evolved. After utilizing a fixed, crawling peg system for many years, the bank adopted currency bands in 2006, allowing the open market to determine the floating exchange rate. Interestingly, citizens have developed their own slang for various denominations. For instance, 100 colóns is called a tea, 1,000 is an un rojo, 5,000 is a tucán, and 10,000 is known as un puma. From its beginnings as a metallic tribute to explorers, the colón has survived various challenges to become a modern symbol of Costa Rica's ecological identity. Each note and coin truly tells the story of the nation.